Welcome back to Lisa Christ Kitchen. We just came back from our daily exercise as usual, because I used to do my exercise Monday, Wednesday and Friday. That's the day we usually keeping fit. Because we've actually lost some calories for today, I decided to actually make a drink, a smoothie, and I just like, okay, let me show it to the public as well. Today I'm going to be making banana and strawberry smoothie. As you can see, I've got my banana. I've washed my strawberry already. Then I slice my banana in shapes, and I've got milk, I've got ice cream, strawberry, and then ice cream as well, and I've got a bit of double cream, you know. Without wasting time, because I'm not taking too much of your time today, we just need to begin. If you've got a blender that you normally use for your daily stuff, you just need to wash it properly and make sure it's clean. You haven't got pepper inside, which is called chili, or spicy stuff. If you actually use it for a spicy stuff, just give it a quick wash. Now we just need to put our banana inside, the strawberry, put the milk, and our cream, double cream. Yeah, you put your cream in, then you put your vanilla and strawberry ice cream on it, just because I want it to be a bit cold because the weather is really nice out there. Cover and blend. Just easy as that. Now we need to put on the cup. If you are the type that don't really sleep properly, this smoothie is really good. Banana makes you sleep, and milk as well is good for your head, you know. It's really, really nice. Just give it a try at home, and I think you actually like it. I'm going some whipped cream at the top as well. If you like, it's optional, it's not necessary. Put at the top. Just put some whipped cream at the top. It's not necessary. Like for me, I don't like whipped cream, but let's put that at the top. And put strawberry. Making you that's it. Easy as that. That is it.